Next, I want to name the 7 continents in another table below this table and include the images of some of the main animals that live in those continents. I go back to my HTML file. Since I create this table in the same way as the previous table, select the code from the table tag from the 31st line to the 76th line. Copy it and paste it to the 77th line. Because the images of animals are included here instead of the number of countries in the previous table and the third table. In the previous table, the third table heading related to the success class is changed to Home of Animals. Next, every Info1 class in this table is changed to Info2. Now, instead of the number of countries, let's add the animal images to the table data related to those countries. Instead of the 48 countries related to Asia in line 89, I create 3 separate IMG tags inside the TD tag. I am trying to include 3 images of animals in one row in relation to one continent. In order to add those links, in every image tag that is open is given as IMG SRC and quotation marks are added. Now, I go to Assets and click on the image called img1.png and copy the URL and paste it as the IMG SRC of the first IMG tag. Go to Assets again and copy the img2.png URL and paste it here as the IMG SRC of the second IMG tag. In this way, copy the URL of img3.png in Assets and paste it as the third IMG SRC. Okay. Now we have finished adding the data in one row. Let's go to the preview. There are 3 big images of a lion, a tiger and a panda are added in relation to Asia, right? Since these images are too big, let's go to the CSS file and add style and change the size. From the 7th line of the style.css file, I type as a selector as .info2 space td space img and give the width and height as 150px and type the margin as 20px space 50px space 20px space 80px. Now let's open our preview again and reload it. Look, now 3 animal images are displayed in the row beautifully. In this way, I add animal images as table data for the remaining 6 continents. The URLs of the images of the camel, lion and elephant in the assets as animals of the continent of Africa are entered as IMG SRC in 3 separate image tags. As the animals of the continent of Europe, I include the images of pig, deer and fox separately. In the same way, images of reindeer, crocodile and beaver are included as in North America, and monkey, tapir and alpaca are included in images of animals related to South America. The images of kangaroo, koala and platypus are added in the assets of the 6th continent of Australia. And the images of dolphin, penguin and seal are also included as animals of the last continent, Antarctica. Friends, now making our 7 continents responsive web page is finished. Let's go to the preview in the new window to see the final output and reload the page. Look, our 2 tables look beautiful now. Okay, my friends, today we learned how to create a table in Bootstrap. The next lesson will be to tell you how to create an e-commerce web page that can be used for payment using Bootstrap forms. That lesson will be a lesson that little friends will like very much. So, our lesson is over for today. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the phone number 076-812-5244. Tell your friends about the creation. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school. We are ready to give all the guidance for that. If you want to start a DP Coding Club in any school where computer labs are available, make a request to the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson with DP Coding School. Have a good day.